Hi friends, welcome you all to my channel. This is Edukanth from Edukanth. We are covering NCERT syllabus for CBSE 10th standard students. So in this video we are going to see triangles exercise 6.3. So question number 1. So the first question is, state which pair of triangle in figure are similar. So 6 sets of triangles been given. State which pair of triangle in the figure are similar. There are 6 sets of triangle been given. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question. So, which set of triangles are similar, which criteria have been used, which criteria are you using, and also write the pair of similar triangle in the symbolic form. You need to give answer in the form of symbolic form. So, we'll take the first question. Okay, as soon as you look at this image, okay, the angle 60 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree, 40 degree. Immediately you can able to say this is a similar triangle because of the angles are equal. So this is the symbolic form we are writing. So triangle, this triangle, both triangles are similar, and this by which criterion? Angle criterion. Okay, angle similarity criterion. So we'll move on to next. Here the value measurement for the, they have given the measurement for the sides they have given. Okay, so by looking at the image we can able to answer the question. Anyway, we will see step by step. So AB is to QR is 4, AB is to QR is 4, so you'll get 1 by 2, and BC is 2.5, RP is 5, so you'll get 1 by 2, and AC is 3 and PQ is 6, so you'll get 1 by 2. So all the sides are in equal proportion. So all the sides have the equal proportion. Therefore, this triangle, both triangles are similar. By which criterion? Side similarity criterion. So shall we move on to next image. Here the measurement of the side. So as soon as you look at the image 2.75, immediately you can say this is not a similar triangle. Anyway, by step by step we'll go. So LP is 3 and DF is 6, so you'll get 1 by 2, and MP, so MP is 2 and DE is 4, therefore you'll get 1 by 2, but LM is 2.7, EF is 5, so 2.7 by 5. The sides are not in equal proportion, the proportions are not equal, therefore both triangles are not similar. So both triangles are not similar. So moving on to fourth sum. So here we can see angle M is 70, angle Q is 70. So angle M is 70, Q is 70, so both are equal, and the side, we're looking at the side MN. So MN is 2.5, PQ is 5, so you'll get 1 by 2, and ML is 5 and QR is 10, so you'll get 1 by 2. So the angle is equal, and the angle bound by these two sides are in proportion. So that's very important. So the angle is equal, the angle bound by these two sides, that is very important. Angle bound by these two sides are in equal proportion. Therefore, this is a similar triangle by side angle side. Okay, side angle side proportions. Okay, the next sum is 80 degree. So angle A is 80 degree, angle F is 80 degree. AB is given, so AC value is not given. The measurement for AC is not given. So without knowing this, we will not be able to state whether this is a similar triangle. So we need to have the value for this. Okay, the side angle side proportion, we need the value for this side. So this side we need to, the value we need measurements AC is not given, therefore this we can say this is not a similar triangle. Okay, so the last one, okay, 70 degree, 80 degree. So the sum of the triangle angle of the triangle is 80 degree. So therefore angle F must be 30 degree. Angle F is 30 degree. and 80 degree, 80 plus 30, 110. Therefore, angle P must be 70. So 70. So 70 degree, 80 degree, 30 degree. 70 degree, 80 degree, 30 degree. Angle P is 70 degree, 80 degree, 30 degree. So therefore, all the angles are equal. Therefore, this is a similar triangle. So by angle similarity criterion. So that's all, friends. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please do press the like button and share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all our video. So thank you so much, especially for your time.